Today I'll be talking about the structural components primarily involved with control of movement. And to start off, those primary structural components we begin with the cerebrum, the encephalon, and the cerebellum, and the brainstem. And to start off, the cerebrum has two halves, which is just the left and right cerebrum hemispheres. These are connected by a sheet of nerve fibers, known as corpus callosum. Both left and right side are covered by what is called the cerebral cortex, which is like a I think it was like 2 millimeter like thick layer. And fun fact also that once if it were to be unfolded, it would be 20 square feet. But this main function is to initiate and coordinate movement while regulating temperature as well. Next up, we have the diencephalon. This lies between the cerebrum and the brainstem. It contains of two groups of nuclei, thalamus and the hypothalamus. The primary function for this structure component is to act as a primary relay and processing center for sensory information and autonomic control. An example of this would be the brain. The brain would use the thalamus to create like a our sleep cycle. Next up, we have the cerebellum, which is attached to the brainstem, and this could be referred to as the little brain, as some might say. It is responsible for the coordination of movement, maintaining posture and balance. So, just like an example would be like me, I'll have to sit up straight, or if I'm slouching, stuff like that. Just maintaining posture, things like that. And lastly, we have the brainstem itself, and this has actually three parts, which is the pons, the medulla, and the reticular formation. And the three of these work together in order to help the body keep consciousness, heart rate, blood pressure, things of that sort. And yeah, those are the structural components primarily involved in movement and control. Thank you.